With Eoiin Connect, we endeavour to put all the information you and your team need at your fingertips. One of the key ways we do this in the application is with Program View. Within each project, we've embedded mechanisms that track its progress and calculate its health. But Program View goes a step further. It's a dashboard that pulls together information from multiple projects and gives key stakeholders an overview of an entire program of work, business unit, or department. It takes the hassle out of reporting and saves users time, whilst making it easier for managers to access the information they need. Program View can be accessed for every folder you have editor permissions for. With the editor access, you can open Program View by hovering over a folder and clicking this icon in the middle. You can see the name of the folder you've selected at the top of the screen. All the data in this folder is captured here, including those contained in subfolders further down the hierarchy. To the right hand of the screen, you can see the Program Collection, which shows you all the subfolders and projects captured in the Program View. If you want to only view data from selected projects, you can uncheck the box to the left, press the refresh button in the top right hand corner, and remove the project's data from the view. As you can see, there are several widgets in the Program View dashboard. Current Program Health summarizes the health of all the projects selected in the Program Collection. A tally of the health of individual projects is displayed in the project summary below. As you'll see throughout Eoiin, we use a red, amber, and green or RAG rating to indicate health. Red octagons indicate things are over time or over budget. Amber squares might signify there's some issues or risks of concern, and the green circle suggests everything's on track and on schedule. A blue circle acts as a placeholder if the project's not started yet and data hasn't yet been updated. Displayed to the right of the current program health, the number of active projects is broken down into a tally of open projects and archived projects. The program status report below allows you to comment on the program's health. It serves as a running historical commentary on the status of the project, which the project owner typically updates. The most recent are displayed, but you can view more by clicking the View More button in the top right-hand corner. You can add an additional report by clicking the Add button, forecasting the project's health, and writing your report in the box below. Press Create to save. This will be displayed only here on this particular program view. The widget beneath displays recent key messages posted in projects, including in this program view. These are important messages shared between the project teams, such as a reminder from the project owner on what the team should be focusing on. The most recent key messages are displayed in the widget, but again, you can click View More to see a complete list. The final widget in the left column is the Risk widget, which summarizes and succinctly highlights all the risks recorded in the included projects. The severity of the risks, if entered, is captured in the matrix on the left, and the probability of the risks occurring are represented in the pie chart to the right. You can use the filters in the top right-hand corner to view the risks with more specificity. Again, red, amber, and green ratings are used. Red's critical risk, amber's high risk, green's low risk, and gray's a close risk. At the top of the right column, you'll find the Finance widget, summarizing project expenses over the current financial year. You can exclude particular types of expenses with the checkboxes above the graph, but be mindful that these are the default options that can be customized in individual projects. Below is the Milestones widget, which presents the next 3 months worth of milestones to track the progress of work nearing its due date. Clicking on a milestone will present its details, including the description and comments pulled straight from the project. Tasks attached to the milestone can be viewed by expanding the list below the description. Likewise, you can click on and view these individual tasks. Like risks, we attach red, amber, and green ratings to milestones. Red warns the work is overdue or behind schedule. Amber acts as a warning that more work is required to meet an impending due date. Green suggests that the task is on track and milestones that are marked blue haven't been started yet. Last, but not least, there's the Issues widget, which highlights the presence of issues in the projects, be they major or minor. Projects with the most issues are ranked in the table on the left. On the right, issues recorded in the current month are compared to those recorded last month in a graph. Again, filters in the top right corner allow you to vary the severity and status of the issues presented. Once again, issues are rated. Red is critical, amber is major, and green are minor issues. Status report, key messages, and all the module names, risks, finance, milestones, and issues are default titles that can be customized in each project. Regardless of what they're called in each project, the default title is used here in Program View. Remember, this dashboard is only accessible to you if you have editor access for the folder. In most cases, this will be the manager of this particular sector of the business or the supervisor for a program of work. The organization admin can also access a program view from the very top folder of your organization dashboard that summarizes every project in the organization. But that ought to be all you need to know about Program View. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Eoin's other features, check out our other tutorials. Eoin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.